this is what you end up with when you finish box 3 of the Bugatti Chiron. You can see that you sort of built the body that sort of encloses the rear end. There's still a few pieces missing, like in here you can still see through the suspension and the side of the motor, but that part of the motor will remain exposed. You can see the fenders. We'll move to the back. Some good stuff here. Oh, sorry. Looks pretty good. See down the side of the fender. The next section is the interior. You can see this is the actual instruction book. It's pretty nice. They write it in French too, which is sort of funny. And then flip the page over. That's what the seat's going to look like. Those are the stickers that come with the set. And here we are, bag 9, box 4. All right, I'll keep you updated.